Today, I'm bringing you an easy, all-natural DIY bug spray that actually works. If you follow me on Instagram, you know we like to be outdoors as much as possible, and both this spray and my homemade sunscreen have really come through, so definitely check out that video too. I'll post all the details in the description box below. This is the lineup which can easily double duty in a plethora of recipes, especially since such a little bit goes a long way. First up is a 1/4 cup of raw apple cider vinegar. You want the stuff with the mother. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of unrefined coconut oil, which I also made a video for. 2 tablespoons of vanilla goes in. Then 60 drops of citronella and lemon eucalyptus. Next goes in 30 drops of cedarwood. Then you want 20 drops of the following: tea tree, mint, vetiver, lavender, and finally geranium. Pour into an opaque spray bottle. I really like amber glass. I've used this deep in the bush, when we go camping, when we go hiking, and it's tried and tested, and it's effective, and it works, and I hope you guys enjoy it.